to our subscriber special. This time it's like an actual special because this is a maxed out iPad Pro 2020 11-inch, and we've never actually been given this Apple bag before, but it's really nice. Anyway, so this has the Magic Keyboard, which is like so cool, and it has the actual iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil. So yeah, we actually got this for free, which was really good. Anyway, I'm gonna start off with like the actual iPad. This is so heavy. This is like really heavy. And then this is that. This is also USB-C, which is really cool. Anyway, here's the actual iPad. There's iPad Pro. This is 1 terabyte version. It's the second generation of this second iPad. So yeah. So here. This is a really nice pull tab. Okay, that's really nice. Oh, fantastic Apple packaging. I know, like it's just so it's like edge to edges. Loads and loads of edges. Also has Face ID. Alright.
Three, two, one, drop it.
Here it is. So, oh my god, that looks so nice. This camera, it's like the iPhone 11. Nice colour. This is the antenna band. That's probably, yeah, that's a better camera than the iPhone XR. So it's like one of those things where it's just like a really nice thing. And then USB-C. It's like really clean as well. Anyway, so we'll put that there. It comes with the new charger. So this is the Apple. Watch charger that she was used to get, except I think it's actually slightly bigger. Yeah, it's actually bigger, and it has USB-C. So that's the old one compared to this one. So this is iPhone, what you normally get with the iPhone. This is iPad, so a much better design. Looks a lot cleaner. Anyway, and also so much faster. I'm gonna need a special charger for it. So it comes with lots and lots and lots and lots of instructions, even some coloured stickers. And here's the USB-C charger. It's very white, and I like that. The USB charger. Those are the Apple stickers, which are super big, and they are
3, 2, 1. You get this. See this? It's a branded Chromebook. It's that. But you know what you do? You get an Apple sticker. It's Apple now.
So USB. It's like really nice because it's same on both ends. So they use that to actually charge the iMacs. So that's really cool. Anyway, starting with the next, actually this is my next best thing I would say. So the next best thing, Magic Keyboard. This is the thing that everyone's hyped about really. So it works with all of these things. And basically, even comes with this box. This was £300, maybe £3.99. It's also a case really, like literally a case. It's really beefy, looks really strong. Has its own instructions, its own smell, and it is literally a keyboard. And it just goes on, just like just, so you need to line up, sort of to make sure it's in the right position. Don't want to break it or anything. You can also charge the iPad via that thing, which is also really cool. Or charge the keyboard. Has loads of different like stuff. Feels really nice. And then with the Apple Pencil, it's the best setup in the world. It's like perfect for work, to be honest. This isn't mine, it's my dad's.
And a stitch.
Obviously. Just get this out. Somebody back in California or whatever. And it's the actual Apple Pencil. This. So you just line the this part or something. That's good. Yes. Then it charges. So that is that. It's really nice. You can see how it feels, and this is how it like plugs in and stuff. It's really nice. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and thank you so much for 60 subscribers. We're very thankful, and especially for the Sky video, Sky and Router. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.